Here is the press conference of that our match that is coming up tomorrow at the All City Stadium for the FA Cup fourth round sha. Now let's listen to what the gaffer has to say about the match, about the team news, about the present injuries, about the player that's gonna be out, about the present player wey be say dem don return back from injury. Now before we start to dissect everything proper to proper, now let me use this opportunity to greet every Blues fans around the world and every of my supporters wey be say you dey like and share, you dey comment to my video every time. And now before I dissect everything, before we go into it proper to proper, like and share, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let us dissect it proper to. First of all, they ask about team news, and Baba start with Marc Cucurella. He talk say for that our last match wey be say we play, Marc Cucurella had injury in that match, and no be say him dey likely or him personally remove am from that match. Na because him dey complain say him get injury, na why him carry out to come before we off for that match wey be say dey come carry 2 goals, we collect 2 goals in that match. And notwithstanding, he said Cucurella will not be available for that match tomorrow, that he is injured. And moving on, Baba talk about Reece James. He talk say Reece James don come back from injury, that wetin he never fit like that sha, cause him dey talk about weather, but me no know. We dey think say maybe na catarrh or that kind thing na him dey happen to Reece James, but he talk say na tomorrow him go know if Baba is ready to play that match tomorrow or he's not gonna be available. And moving on again, Baba talk about Romeo Lavia, say him don come back fit for into training. Say Romeo Lavia don come back to training and him dey fit. They ask Baba again about Mohammed Salah. Him talk say Mohammed Salah go dey available for that match tomorrow, say him dey fit, nothing dey do am. And more of other players, him talk about them. So we go need to dey talk things papapa, make we dissect am proper to. Moving on to number 2, they ask Baba about what he thinks about the team we'll be facing tomorrow, which is Hull City. And wetin Baba talk be say Liam Rosinha said Hull City has make a very big impact in his life. Say if no be Hull City, he no go dey where he dey, he no go be our our coach presently. Say he don be their player, he don coach them for some time like that, so they don make some great impact in his life wey be say he go never forget. So that tomorrow match, that is a very great test of his biggest test of his life that he's gonna be facing. That Hull City have make a very impact in his life, and he's very happy that he's gonna be facing them tomorrow, and he wants to win that match straight away. He no be say him go come into that match and begin to dey. So Baba talk say him go wish make him win that match tomorrow, and presently me sef I go happy say I wan win that match tomorrow, cause I wish to win that cup. Na since 2016 Chelsea don carry FA Cup last, so e go dey more interesting if we win the cup this year. Moving on to number 3, they ask Baba about the last minute goal wey be say Cole Palmer miss, and Baba said that he's not gonna be talking about Cole Palmer particularly, that he's talking about the team, that it's not Cole Palmer that caused it, that at the last minute of that match that you could see the changes in the players wey be say the togetherness, the teamwork wey be say the team come together to that full pressure wey be say all of them come out to do, the defending, midfielding, attacking and counter attack, everything, that he was very very impressed with the way the players approach the last minute of that match, that he's very happy and he's looking forward to see more of it and more of it. Moving on, they go ask about Thomas Frank, that Tottenham Hotspur coach wey be say dey sack presently. And Baba said every coach get their own test for this life, say in time reach na why dey sack am, so he no dey distribute that fact, say this thing, that everybody get their own challenges, that na him own challenges be that wey be say dem don sack am. Him own challenges na say him wan approach game, win more trophies and build a team wey be say other teams wey wan face us, they go dey fear say they wan face dis kain team. Moving on again, dem come ask Baba about how e think say dat match go be, dat Hull City match, how e think say im go be. Baba come talk say dat match wey be say im wan play tomorrow, im go dey tough, im know, cause number one, their weather, every Premier League matches wey be say dem dey play for night now, you go see say rain go fall. Me I tell you, tomorrow match rain go fall, we no dey doubt dat one. Now, all dis small small clubs wey be say dem dey championship, their stadium, the atmosphere, pressure, all those kain things wey be say dem go dey give excuses, so e no go dey very very easy for us. And number two, dat match is gonna be tough in a way that, you know, Liam Rosenio is one of their player, he's one of their best coach, and seeing him coming back into their stadium, fans go full, everywhere go full, banters go dey. So seeing dat match tomorrow, Liam Rosenio, we want you to win dat match, but we go dey talk dat one for match preview. So Baba don talk everything wey be say e necessary wey be say im wan talk. He don talk about the team news, he don talk about the last minute of the match we played against Leeds United. He don talk about the exit of Thomas Frank, the Tottenham Hotspur coach. He don talk about the injuries wey be say im dey presently and the players wey be say dem don return. So I'm not gonna be saying it past this level. This is all what the gaffer has to say in his press conference. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll be seeing you guys